So Andre told me this is a sanatorium that's been converted into a refugee shelter. David.
Hello.
What's your name?
Roman.
Roman. Nice to meet you.
Please. Welcome.
Hello. My name is Nastya. I'm gonna help you to translate to understand it.
Thank you so much, Nastya. I'm David. How are you?
Nice
Great to meet you.
This is a shelter for refugees from all over the Ukraine. Now we have like over 200 of people. First 24th of February or something like that. I mean, I'm a refugee, so they just asked me to help, so to translate.
Where are you from?
I'm from the east of Ukraine, Sumska region.
Okay.
So the town is called Konotop.
When did you come to out here to Chernivtsi?
On the 9th of March. This fund helps the people with evacuation. We provide basic needs like hygiene products, food. So it is 3-course meal, of course, shelter like beds. So people can stay here until 6 months, I guess. The government said that it's 6 months. Well, also we help with evacuation abroad. So it may be Germany, Spain, Bulgaria, Italy, and we help with documents if it's elderly people, and we send them to hospitals and also curate them there and help them to also with the documents there, like when they retire, help them with documents so they can get money. Earlier our head chief visited this place like in 1984. He was there, and when the war started he remembered about this place and decided to start here. There was no water, no electricity, no any basic needs, so everything was made within 48 hours.
48, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So on the 26th of February there was already 80 people. Okay, at first they were knocking on windows of the cars where they saw people were sleeping and just invite them.
Okay, I see. So you want to get rid of this?
Yeah. They want to get rid of that and everything will be reconstructed.
Yeah, right. Ah, okay. Yeah, handles.
So, yeah. The handles, the toilet.
I understand.
For elderly people. Well, this is Vera. He is one of the refugees, and when she came from Kramatorsk, it's a town in Ukraine, so she came at the railway station and with her neighbors. She also has a dog, and this is the important part because her neighbors left her there, and so the bus came. The bus took her neighbors. And they said, you can leave the dog and you can go with us. But if you're not leaving the dog, you cannot go with us. So she was staying there for 2 days. And then, she was just left there. And then volunteers from this shelter came to help her and gave her shelter. She's very grateful because here dogs, cats, I mean, people can bring, it's their family. I mean, people can bring them with them. And Roman said that if she don't like being here, then they can bring her back, to find something else. But she's very grateful for bringing her here. And
yeah, of course.
Well, it was happening at night, at midnight or
at the bus station.
Yeah, at the bus station, and she was already in the bus or at the bus, and people were just with the force bringing her out of the bus.
It's horrible.
Yeah.
Thanks. Дякую, Vera.
Room where people are living?
Okay.
In what
Оце
conditions?
наш Степан, малорухливий.
Добре.
Степан, де тебе забрали? Хто тебе забрав до Вокзалу? Волонтери, да? Наші чи якісь чужі? Наші. Хороші чи погані?
Дуже хорошо.
Вау.
Well, he's saying that he's also like happy to be here.
Нас забрали сюди.
Обіжають тебе тут, да?
Мені дали поїсти, помили,
Сварють,
перевозили.
сварють трошки.
People help
Якщо
with
треба.
washing him and they like feeding him also.
Okay.
So he's grateful for that,
Great.
for the help.
And where is he from?
Звідки ви? Саме звідки ви? Краматорськ. He's from Kramatorsk.
Okay.
He wants to show you another patient, a person that became a patient. We helped him. He was staying in the hospital. Здравствуйте.
Десь
Добрий день.
американець приїхав до тебе. Хоче тобі потиснути руку, брат.
Добрий ранок.
Как вы себя чувствуете? I will not stand or move, but as you see,
Yeah,
he's a very strong.
strong guy.
man, yeah.
I think he will.
So that room,
Ми ту кімнату
they are
робимо
making
для
for
бідних.
this man.
For him, okay, okay.
Well, he made them and suggested them to make a shelter for handicapped people.
Okay.
It was his idea.
Це він нас обнімає. Він нас обнімає. Оу.
So he really appreciates the help and his like.
Щоб ми
he
робили
wants-
добро.
Yeah, he wants to hug like everyone.
Він нас заставляє робити добро, бо він такий добрий.
He inspires everyone and he made us do the job. I mean,
Where are you from?
звідки ви? Откуда ви?
Донецька область, Краматорськ.
Kramatorsk also. Donetsk region.
Donetsk region. And when did you come here to Chernivtsi?
Когда вы приехали?
Місяць назад.
Месяц на 1 month ago.
Там бумажки. 23-го. Ну,
On the
місяць.
23rd of March.
23rd of
He
March.
came here, yeah.
Так. І якраз
І коли захворів,
упав я на ноги. Зараз.
On the 31st of March, he fell, and after that, he had a stroke. He was in hospital, and we were visiting him, helping with everything he needed.
Okay. And did he come here alone?
Вы одни приехали, да? Сколько? Yeah.
And do you have family that are back in Donetsk or alone?
Семья в Донецке нету, да? No, he's alone
Один как пес.
by himself.
Yeah,
Так получилось.
yeah.
що нема зараз сім'ї у тебе, брат?
Ні.
Зараз нема?
А, ну зараз в мене така сім'я, що
Well, now he's
всім
saying that he has a
треба
big
допомагати.
family of us, of everyone who's
Хто тебе не
helping
любить
him.
тут? Тебе всі люблять. До тебе всі тягнуться, як до Ісуса. До тебе всі тягнуться.
Да. Такі малі,
So,
старі, а сам
Small children and adults he is considering everyone, his family.
Do you like Chernivtsi?
Вам в Черновцах как?
Та я ж тут давно.
He visited
був, тут
Chernivtsi
рік,
earlier. He
мені
went to the
дихання.
market. It's a very famous market here. It's called Клинівка.
Ви приїжджали сюди раніше, да?
Да,
Yeah, he was
90-х
here
годів,
before
Before the war?
Yeah.
Данила
In
контейнера.
the 90s.
In the 90s,
Yeah,
okay.
Тут же
very
ж
early.
торговые все пути.
So there are trade roads
Живое место было.
between different countries.
Такой же весь союз.
Yeah, it was earlier, but now
Дуже буде.
it's gone, I guess.
Yes.
Those.
Все, давай.
Дякую.
Ты там этого, Ренатика, Адира, вечно.
Зайнятий, так? Да? Все буде добре, брат. Я зайду до тебе.
Дякую.
Моя мать.
Отдыхайте.
Дякую.
Отдыхайте.
Дякую.
Тут ми взяли 2 кроваті.
We brought like beds.
So he
special
can sit up.
beds.
Да.
Yeah.
Це з дугою, щоб він міг підніматися. Щоб він...
Yeah, so everything like in a hospital, like what they have in a hospital, to a handle where they can grab it and stand up.
Yeah,
So for him and for like other people who need it.
yeah.
Попали.
So you know all the
Добре.
volunteers. It's our kitchen. There we have a dining room.
Okay, great.
Do you want something to drink? Maybe tea, coffee? We
Oh,
can offer you.
I'm okay, thanks. I've already had 5 coffees today. Too
All
many.
right. here it's a
Oh, it's
dining
a big dining room. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, really big, and you have a nice view outside too.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. Yeah.
The birds are singing here, like, wow.
Yeah, this is great. Hello. Hi. This place was abandoned before the war, right?
Yep.
And how long was it abandoned for? Do you know?
Скільки часу воно було занедбане?
Воно з совєтського часу було таке невдахне.
Да, ну,
А так не жило десь 3 роки.
So it was for 3 years it was abandoned.
Okay.
But it was like in bad condition from Soviet Union
Okay.
times. Well, I'm here for like 2 months already. I can't complain because like I get free food, I get roof over my head.
Yeah.
Of course, it may be mentally sometimes difficult because we live in a big room with a lot of people. There are 8 people in my room, so there is no personal space. And sometimes, people need it to recharge, but we can't. I mean, but it's worse.
Yeah.
I can't complain. So this space, they are planning on doing room for kids. There will be baths and stuff. You see, it was a school. You can see it. There's a board.
So part of this was a sanatorium or a hospital before?
Yeah, those building, it was sanatorium. We were staying this place, it was a school.
And when he talked about this like farming collective, that would happen here or at a separate location to get food?
Це буде під румунською границею, від звідси 40 кілометрів.
Well, not here. It will be like 40 kilometers away from here.
Okay, and that'll provide food and
Yeah.
basically self-sustaining community.
У мене є фото тої землі.
He has a photo.
So Roman is essentially creating a community. I mean,
Yeah.
really, right? Already has, it seems. It's incredible work.
So everything will be here, also renovated and looking better.
Хочемо зробити команду баскетболу.
And they want to make a team basketball team.
З Андрюхом будемо грати. І вас запрошую.
Okay.
Where they are inviting you to play also.
How much land is there? Like, what's the size of the property?
130 hectares.
Oh, wow, okay. It's huge. That's really big.
Good?
Yeah, beautiful. Дуже добро.
Дуже добре.
Дуже добро.
Місцева влада йде на зустріч, каже, що да, дуже довольні.
So the government of Chernivtsi are happy with all that project, and they are willing to help, willing to support this project. Of course, I mean, they are helping people.
І для наших діток
For children, they make some activities, drawing. They go to musical theater, to different events. So they make everything for the children to feel them safe, feel them welcomed, to stay, to make them busy, cannot think a lot of what's happening.
The children here, are they taking online classes at the Chernivtsi school from this location?
I don't know about that, but some children, like their parents decide in which school they are learning stuff right now. So
Yeah.
I know that some kids are learning through online, but I guess it's not Chernivtsi school, so it's their native school.
І зараз ми готуємо клас, і будуть діти готуватися, щоб робили домашні завдання.
So they are making a classroom for the kids to do their homework, so they feel not distracted. For adults, there are different excursions to main attractions. There is a university. I was there also.
І діток возимо на гамбургери, на піци.
Children visit restaurants, eat some different food, more tasty for them.
Це не обмежено в цьому на сьогоднішній день. А ці діти получають все.
So his child is not getting all of that. He's saying that these children are getting more right now, being here.
Він зараз прийде в обід, мій син сюди допомагати. Каже, хоче допомагати.
окей.
Йому 12 років.
Oh, okay. His he has a son, he is 12 years old, and he will come here
Okay.
to help.
Oh,
He's
awesome.
willing to
Great.
help.
Fantastic. The whole family is getting involved. Yeah. Have you been able to find foreign organizations that can provide support, and how are you doing it? Are you using social media, or how are you finding people abroad to support?
Well, there is no financial support abroad right now.
Okay.
He brought members of his family right now and acquaintances, friends to help with all of that. But yeah, for now, there is no financial help. Of course, they have social media, Instagram page, Facebook page.
Okay. Okay.
But for now. People who are living here actually like tidy up this territory, and they planted flowers. It wasn't as nice before.
I'm sure, but it's you guys have done an amazing work in just less than 3 months.
Yeah, I'm doing here basically like helping with the translation.
And how old are you?
No, I'm 26 years old.
And how did you learn English so well?
I was studying at the university.
Okay, yeah, of course, of course.
I mean, I was in school at a special class, so we have special classes in English. And after that, I thought that is the only thing I want to do. After school, a lot of people don't know what they are going to do in the future. They are very young, so that was me, and this was the only thing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Well,
Nastya, great to meet you. Thanks so much. Good luck with everything, okay?
Bye.
Bye bye. Oh, Andrei, Jaku, thank you so much. Wow, amazing experience coming here.